The 1951 Mercury 8 Convertible, priced at $34,500, features a deep green exterior complemented by a beige tough top and a clean tan interior. Powered by its original flathead V8 engine and Mercury transmission, it includes hydraulic windows and a top in full working order, with no rust or bondo. Great tires and gleaming chrome accents, this well-maintained classic is a standout for car shows or weekend cruises. It runs and drives excellently, offering timeless style and performance. The 1954 Studebaker Land Cruiser, priced at $13,500, is a rare wide-body sedan with a long wheelbase, powered by a V8 engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive. It features a fresh green and white two-tone exterior and a fully refurbished green and white cloth interior with new carpet and headliner. Recent upgrades include a rebuilt brake system, cooling system, and numerous new components like door and trunk seals, upholstery, and tires. This functional and well-documented survivor, with its owners and service manuals, represents a unique piece of Studebaker history. The 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop, priced at $39,900, is a classic with fresh paint and an extensively updated interior, including new seat covers, carpet, and headliner. Powered by a GM Crate 350 engine and a Turbo 350 transmission, it also includes front disc brakes and vintage air conditioning. Though not a show car, this Bel Air offers a clean underside and excellent drivability, making it a great driver with undeniable vintage charm. The 1952 Chevrolet 3100, priced at $36,000, is a beautifully preserved 5-window pickup with a short bed. Powered by an all-original 235 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission, it retains its authentic character with no accidents or modifications. The vibrant green paint, white wall tires, wooden bed rails, and brown leather interior make this truck a show-ready classic with timeless appeal. The 1939 Chevrolet Master Deluxe, priced at $30,000, features a deep maroon exterior with gleaming chrome accents and a luxurious tan interior with plush seats and vintage styling. Its 216 motor, rebuilt in 2020, is complemented by a completely restored front end. Well-maintained and stored indoors, this classic represents an iconic piece of pre-war automotive history. The 1949 Willies Jeep station wagon, priced at $25,000, has been a cherished family vehicle for nearly 2 decades. Recent upgrades include a new clutch, brake drums, shoes, wheel bearings, and wide whitewall tires. The vehicle comes with extra mechanical parts, such as starters, generators, and bumpers. This attention-grabbing classic, always well-maintained and insured, is ready for its next chapter, offering both reliability and vintage charm. The 1957 Dodge D250, priced at $22,500, is a well-maintained dual-wheel rack-body pickup featuring a 315 V8 engine with a 4-barrel Holley carburetor and custom stainless steel exhaust. The red and gray interior was redone 10 years ago and remains in excellent condition. Its stunning red exterior with a wooden stake bed showcases the perfect blend of rugged utility and vintage beauty. Spare parts, including cab sheet metal, come with the truck. The 1939 Mercury 8, priced at $12,500, is powered by a 95-horsepower flathead V8 engine and a manual transmission. The sedan retains its original styling with a well-preserved interior, though the paint is slightly dull. The gas gauge and heater need attention, but the car runs and drives well, offering a solid and affordable entry into pre-war American classics. The 1955 Ford Thunderbird, priced at $38,000, is a fully restored Arizona car with no rust. It features the original 292 V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. This classic runs and drives as good as it looks. In very good condition, it's ready for collectors or enthusiasts who appreciate the iconic design. The 1941 Ford Super Deluxe, priced at $18,900, is powered by a flathead V8 engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. Its laser-straight body and excellent driver-quality paint are complemented by a clean interior with a factory radio and clock. It features original big whitewall tires with matching spare, solid floor pans and functional lights and horn. This car is ready for cruising or showcasing, with extra parts included in the sale. The 1951 Plymouth P23, priced at $6,400, retains its original flathead, 6-cylinder engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. Finished in striking aqua blue with a beige interior, this classic boasts gleaming chrome trim and well-preserved hubcaps. Showing 80,000 miles, it runs and drives well, presenting a strong candidate for preservation or restoration. The 1960 Jeep CJ5, priced at $16,500, carries a unique story as it was originally owned by Dr. Carl Allen, a Korean War reenactor and a favorite in parades. With 53,983 miles, this well-preserved Jeep features military-style detailing, complete with authentic touches. Recently restored with $13,000 invested, it is a cherished heirloom ready to be driven or displayed, offering both historical value and rugged functionality. The 1948 Ford Deluxe, priced at $30,500, is a fully restored all-steel resto-mod coupe powered by a 454 big block V8 engine with a TH400 automatic transmission. It features a Camaro subframe, power steering, power brakes, and vintage air conditioning for modern comfort. The burgundy tweed interior includes bucket seats, a custom Alpine audio system, and tinted windows. With 18,000 miles since restoration, this coupe combines classic styling with modern performance and convenience. The 1960 Doto Fireflight, priced at $6,600, features a 361 cubic inch engine paired with an automatic transmission. Recently equipped with a front disc brake conversion, this car includes a complete set of chrome trim, a cracked windshield with a replacement included, and a power front seat. With minor rust and a well-preserved body, this Fireflight offers a solid base for restoration or enjoyment as a classic cruiser. The 1948 Willies Jeep CJ2A, priced at $13,000, underwent a ground-up restoration in 2003 and has been garaged since. Upgrades include a 12-volt electrical system, 11-inch Ford brakes, an overdrive unit, and reupholstered seats. The F-Head 134 Hurricane engine, restored drivetrain, and new tires ensure reliable performance. This well-documented classic is ready for off-road adventures or display. The 1956 Volkswagen Beetle, priced at $28,000, showcases a completely restored exterior and interior, with all essential parts included. While the motor is not currently installed, it is included along with other spare components like a gas tank, hubcaps, and door panels. This project is near completion, offering an excellent opportunity to own a fully restored vintage Beetle. The 1953 Willies Jeep M38A1, priced at $6,500, is a solid and reliable example of a military-style Jeep. It features a rare Kemco steel cab and comes with a repairable military engine. Although the currently installed engine runs fine, with minimal rust and numerous spare parts included, this Jeep is a great candidate for further restoration or as a functional classic. The 1952 GMC cab-over engine, priced at $16,000, is a rare and striking truck featuring factory-wide fenders, steps, and a 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. It includes power steering, power brakes, and a tilt steering column. Running reliably for 12 years since its build, the truck retains its original interior and seat, offering vintage charm with practical upgrades. The 1937 Jaguar SS100, priced at $7,000, is a kit car powered by a 2.3 liters engine with a standard shift transmission. It includes heat, defrost, side curtains, and a new top. Recently painted, this car runs and drives well. The 1953 GMC half-ton truck, priced at $6,250, was recently painted and outfitted with a custom 8x12 wooden bed. While not currently running, the truck retains its original components and is described as a great display piece for photography, advertisement, or decorative purposes. With new back tires and solid plywood flooring, it offers potential as a unique restoration project or prop. The 1929 Ford Model A pickup, priced at $15,000, features a striking green body with black fenders and yellow spoke wheels. It includes a classic wood bed with new boards and a clean bench seat interior. Powered by a reliable flathead engine, this well-maintained truck starts easily and is ready for shows or cruises, with only minor touch-ups needed on the paint.